Tom's homemade bread.
However much lettuce you want. There's no rules. Aaron won't eat this because he doesn't like lettuce. I'm not sure he'd be big on the tomato either.
I mean, that makes the most sense to me.
Yeah, because otherwise it's kind of hard for him to go get it.
Road trip.
Well, they were at 9 in. So, yeah.
Would you like to walk up and see ours?
Yeah.
Well, we got a 4-level. Well, I was fortunate because I had 220 parcels and we've already.
Asleep. Asleep. Yeah, asleep. Lasagna.
Well, I can press on the brake. Sure. I can figure it out.
Well,
Just to make sure you're there till 6.
yeah. And see. I'm assuming he'll give you the laundry list stuff
Yeah.
that's wrong with it.
Why don't I put one on?
Is that?
A hamburger, or well, pretty soon it's not even a. I exaggerated a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit. A little bit.
Yeah. Peanut butter.
Here?
Yeah, bust it up. I'll show you. I do tomato first because it's just easier to get the tomato on there first. And then slice one like so. Oh, yep. Get a good layer of bacon on there. Yeah, so you get a layer like that.
Yeah.
And then. Probably.
You got the bacon make all the way?
Yeah.
Whoops.
Salt.
Salt.
Mm-hmm.
Oops. Oh, good things. Okay. Yes.
Messy meal.
Yes, it's a very messy meal.
Let's go.
Okay, one at a time. Is it close enough? I don't know. That's 5. And that's 6, 7, 8, 8.5. A little longer. It's not very even. These are way too long.
Yeah.
Fun, isn't it here? Always cooking baking sausage.
You guys won't need brown sugar, will you? No? I'll clean it when I'm done this. Oh, it's gonna get hot in here.
The bread.
Oh, there's a light.
Yeah.
Add the peppers.
Peppers.
Peppers? Add the peppers. You can add the peppers in minutes.
5-7 minutes. It's look like we have this kind of dish in Philippines.
Yeah.
Then you will put a, what do you call that? A
Tomato
sauce.
Yep.
Yeah.
And we're gonna put rice in it too.
Our rice.
Yeah.
Oh, we don't have only this.
And then of course we're gonna put cheese on top because we put cheese on everything.
Yeah. We love cheese.
Tomato sauce. Oh no! Did I get you?
No.
I got me.
Only.
I'm not the neatest cook. My husband will tell you that. Okay.
That's the part of cooking.
Yes, making a mess. Calls for beef broth, but I don't have any, so I'm putting chicken broth in.
We do that also, like if we cook pork or chicken, we put some beef cubes. We use cubes in Philippines because beef is more tastier.
Yeah. I could actually add a little bit of, I think this will be fine though. Okay.
Then rice.
Then we need a little bit of soy sauce.
Oh, soy sauce. This is another version of fried rice because it's look like a fried rice, but it's like
a casserole.
a casserole.
All right, I need to grab the Italian seasoning here. Okay, and then we need a cup of rice.
Rice here is expensive also. It's depend on the class of rice.
Yeah, it's not super expensive, I don't think. No, I don't think it's expensive.
Because only few people eat rice.
No, I think a lot of people. There's a lot of Hispanic people around the area and they eat a lot of rice too.
Hispanic people eat rice. They love rice.
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah, I don't know what it is though right now.
Okay.
Just a minute. When that starts bubbling, so it looks like it's starting to boil,
yeah.
then you
I
can
will
put the rice in.
Okay, and cover it.
Yeah, and then turn it down a bit.
Okay. It's already bubbling. I will put it for a little bit later.
Maybe let it get a little hotter.
It's already.
Yeah, you can put the rice in. What do you think, Robert?
Put the rice.
Some people won't like it because it has parsley in it, I suppose.
Oh, that's the one that I don't like the taste. The parsley.
I think it's cilantro you don't like.
Ay, cilantro. Oh.
Cilantro has a stronger taste.
Oh yeah.
It doesn't really have much flavor at all. I don't know. It does, but not.
It's just green.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think cilantro.
Oh, but some people won't like it because it's green.
Right, I know.
I think the only one would be. I don't know.
See, they are looks bread.
That one looks better than this one. This one looks a little lopsided, but oh well.
And they will show how big is this.